Hello guys, in this live stream I will actually show you a website which allows you to create unlimited AI videos for completely free. It doesn't require any GPU, it doesn't require any API credits. So this website is actually a Chinese based website. It's called as roboneo.com. So this is actually the address. I have also given the link in the description of the video. So roboneo.com. So once you go to the website, you will actually be granted with this interface. Inside the chat prompt, you will exactly tell what sort of video you want to generate. So I will simply write in the chat prompt here. So whatever video you want to generate, so you will see two guys doing coding on laptop. So you specify the prompt. You can even attach images as well. So once you submit the prompt here, automatically a high definition video will be generated using AI. So as you can see, it is completely free website. We are using the free account here. We haven't paid anything. So daily it gives you some free credits to actually generate the videos for completely free. And it's really fast AI as well for generating videos. So as soon as the video is generated, it will directly play directly in the player. You can play the video. And then you also get the option to download the video inside your local machine as well. So once it is created, so you can see it is successfully created this. You can even remove the background using AI. All these features is there. You can even ask follow-up questions as well. So if you wanted a video, you simply type the prompt here. I wanted a video, not an image. You also get the export button right here. You simply can export this. So once you click the export button, everything will be exported to a PNG image file. So you will see no watermark is there. It's fully downloaded into a professional looking HD image file. And now it is converting this image into a video. So you can see coding say into a dynamic video. So instantly in a matter of seconds, it will now create an MP4 video file for you. So this Chinese website is really insane. RoboNeo, definitely check it, check this out. It gives you free credits to actually create your video file. So once it reaches 100%, your video will directly play in the video player. So you can actually play the video. So now you can see that the result has been successfully created. You can actually now play the video. So you can see two guys coding on laptop in Zux. The video is successfully created, and you can drag and drop this result right here. You also get the download button. So you click the download button, instantly your video will get downloaded as well. So you can see that 4.73 megabytes. So So you can see that now the video is successfully exported to a MP4 video file. So you can see there is no watermark out there. It's completely generated for completely free. So using this website now, you simply type the prompt and it will generate the video for you. So in this easy way, definitely check out this Chinese-based RoboNeo AI website for generating unlimited videos with no GPU or API.